already visited El Charco Botanical Garden and little bit of Centro. So now we are fresh enough to roam around the city, obviously including Centro. This city is well known for its historical importance, art, food, culture, and colorful buildings. If you roam around the centro, you can see most of the architecture are influenced by Spanish colonial culture. As you guys can already observe the beautiful buildings with some beautiful flowers. The combination of color and the structure of houses are so majestic that you can't resist yourself to take some picture with those houses. Since walking all the way down to the centro is effortless for us, moving in the opposite direction will undoubtedly prove to be a bit difficult due to the gradient of around 60 degrees. Nonetheless, the view from this vantage point is absolutely breathtaking. After coming straight from this road, we take a left turn and we get this local market. You can find everything here like fruit, vegetable, egg, bread, everything. So, if you book a hotel with kitchen, you can buy your cooking materials from here also. And I think it's helpful you people who are try to cooking here and stay in the hotel. In this section, you will encounter wonderful Talavera pottery pieces in form of plates, cups, glasses and other stuff. The souvenir which one take back home can be found primarily in this section. As you browse through the shops brimming with Talavera items, it's impossible to overlook their charm. If you are seeking our recommendation, we highly suggest purchasing at least one of these remarkable pieces. Not only it will serve as a memento of this place, but it is also remind you of its rich and vibrant culture. After exploring this market, we simply take a right turn down the stairs, anticipating another section. And wow, this area is bustling with handcraft shops. The craftsmanship is simply stunning, especially the handcrafted plates, cups, bowls, and trays. We have already purchased 3 items, but the shops have an extensive collection. Additionally, there are other shops selling clothes, hats, shoes, and various home decor items. All are incredibly appealing. If you ever visit this city, be sure to explore this enchanting market. The prices are quite reasonable too. After crossing the road, we discovered another section of this market. This area was bursting with a stunning array of Mexican dresses, jewelry, bangles, and much more. Unfortunately, we didn't have that much time to explore it fully. So we headed back to the main road. Like every street in the city, it was beautiful, but the sun was blazing. Our next stop was supposed to be the public library, but to our disappointment, it was closed for the day. Another important thing I want to share is that if you are coming to the market, the exit connects to the main centro. There is a beautiful art museum there. We are trying to find it now, and I think this is it. Yes, let's explore the art museum. After exploring the museum, we arrived at the heart of the centro. I think you can all see that beautiful church. Near the church, you will find stalls selling these lovely flower crowns, some of which are artificial, while others are made with real flower. There is another museum in the centro that primarily focused on the history of the city. Since Mexico was ruled by Spanish Empire, the local culture is heavily influenced by Spanish colonial heritage. This museum tells the story of the Battle of Independence and the blending of these two cultures. It's called Museo Histórico Casa de Allende. You can visit it from Tuesday to Sunday between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m.
খেয়াল করেছো এই ডিটেলিংটা কোথায় পাবে জানো?
We spent a lot of time in the museum because it's quite extensive and fascinating.
So right now we are in a very beautiful street of San Miguel de Allende, and we are going for our food. So this is the restaurant Mamma Mia, and as per the review this is good restaurant. I'm not sure about the price. Let's see. This is the restaurant Mamma Mia. You can see the beautiful ambience, and her dress matches the architecture. It's vibrant yellow. So this is the table, and that is the another one. এই টেবিলটা হচ্ছে বেস্ট, মানে এখনো পর্যন্ত আমার বেস্ট লাগলো এই সেকশনটা, এর ভেতরে যে টেবিলটা।
beach, we decided to explore Centro again and have a photo shoot with this beautiful dress. The sunset view from Centro was marvelous. We captured some stunning photo with the golden light illuminating the colorful building. In the evening, Centro and the church looked completely different, beautifully lit up. We entered the church, which was enormous and even more stunning inside. Built in the 16th century by European artists, it features Spanish and French art. This magnificent structure is known as Pedicure de San Miguel Arcangel. The interior of the temple, with a Latin cross plan and decorated in the neoclassical style, preserves some canvases with religious theme that have been attributed to the brother Juan and Nicolas Rodriguez Juarez. After visiting the church, we decided to have some ice cream from a parlor just opposite the church. The ice cream was delicious. We also enjoyed an amazing program right in front of the church. If you were lucky enough, you might catch such performance on Saturday evening in the center of San Francisco.
Santa María Magdalena, Querétaro. Y le seguimos con los soles.
San Miguel De Allende has more than 100 churches, with the oldest being the Santa Cruz del Choro Chapel. The town's name derives from a 16th century friar Juan de San Miguel and the martyr of Mexican independence Ignacio Allende. This city was a critical epicenter during the historic Chichimeca War. Before the arrival of Spanish in the early 16th century, San Miguel was an indigenous Chichimec village called Ichquinapan. Today, the old section of this town is a proclaimed World Heritage Site, attracting thousands of foreign tourists with its mild climate, cultural opportunities, and low crime rate. So, if you are in Mexico, be sure to visit this colorful and stunning city. San Miguel de Allende is a must-see destination that captivates with its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking architecture. This beautiful city is a city in the Mexican state of Guanajuato. It is part of the Bajío macro region. It is the head of the municipality of the same name and one of the main tourist destinations in Mexico. This city is located at an altitude of 1910 meters and is located 315 km from Mexico City, 100 km from Guanajuato and 50 km from Santiago de Querétaro. So if you want to visit this city, just take a bus from Mexico City or Querétaro. We took a bus from Querétaro and it took near about 45 minutes and the bus fare was 120 pesos. There are other bus services like Premium Plus, etc. And which bus it is?
Emilio.
Emilio?
It's a chicken breast with pasta, cream, cheese, and yeah, that's all. Taste will be very good. I will tell you later.
So this is the end of our small tour. If you enjoy to travel with us, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Have a great day.